This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable camera access in the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To enable or disable camera access, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. And on this page, you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right here, Camera, you want to click on Camera. And right up top here, there's a box that tells you what camera that your browser is set up to use. You can click this drop down, you can change it. Down below that, Default Behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one's probably toggled on, as you see mine is. Sites can ask to use your camera. If you want to disable camera access, you would toggle on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to use your camera. That is how to enable or disable camera access in the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.